My wife Shelly and I both left our full-time jobs in April of 2021 and decided to follow our dreams of further travel, adventure and a bit of the unknown. We sold our 5-acre rural property and downsized to our lock-up and leave 2-bedroom livable shed. We built this to also house our caravan and vehicle and provide us with storage when the lure of overseas travel calls. Unfortunately, we both know people who didn't quite make it to retirement or after a long working life are now unable to do the things they dreamt of, either from disability or illness. While we will still have to work from time to time, we aim to spend as much time as possible travelling around our beautiful country of New Zealand and later on some further destinations. So there you have it, Vagabond life. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see outside there, it's raining again today, and I think it's over most of New Zealand or most of the North Island. So yeah, I guess it's a good day for trying to get another video put together. While we're at it, our hearts do go out to the people of Auckland at the moment. There's a lot of people up there in the western suburbs who have been flooded out of their homes, yeah, it's really quite devastating what they've got to deal with, so yeah, our hearts do go out to you guys. So over the last few weeks since we've been back from Napier, the weather still hasn't been really all that great. We did have a couple of days there where we went over to Ahopi and spent the weekend over there and just did a bit of fishing and swimming and stuff, which was really nice. It's not very far from here. It only takes us about 3/4 of an hour or something to get over there, but it's still a really nice, relaxing place to be, and Rewa harbour is absolutely beautiful. There's not much fish in it, but it is a really nice place to go for a weekend, and you can stay for 2 days down at the boat ramp down the end there of Port Ahopi. So that, yeah, it's one of our favourite sort of local spots that we like to go to, especially this time of the year where it's nice and warm and you can have a swim and barbecues of an evening and stuff like that. It's really nice. Apart from that, we've really just been pottering around home, doing a few bits and pieces. Shelly's been doing a bit of gardening. I've been pottering around in the shed, and just going for the odd bike ride around town, yeah, I'm trying to fill in the days really until the fine weather comes again. I am planning maybe another trip down to Napier before I start the kiwi fruit season again. As many of you might know that have been watching the channel, I did the kiwi fruit over in Te Puke last year, which went from March through till, I think the main season goes from March through till the middle of June, and then you sort of go to repack after that, which goes through to about November if you want to sort of stay on. I think I went through till about August, September maybe, I think it was. And then, yeah, I had the problems with the water tanks in the caravan, so I had to call it quits, but we'll see what happens this year. I'm not sure what I'll do yet, how long I'll stay there. I may just do the main season. We'll just have to play it by ear, really. And Shelly starts work on the 1st of February too, which she's really excited about. She's got a virtual assistant position, so it's something she's always wanted to do. Have her own business where she can work from home, and that it can be portable, is the word. Yeah, so if we do go away in the caravan, she can still, and she has clients that she's got to do a bit of work for in the morning or something, she can still do that while we're away, and then we could go out and do whatever we want in the afternoon. So that's something she's been really keen on getting, and yeah, so she starts that on the 1st of February. Yeah, and apart from that, I think this year, more than anything, I want to try and lose a bit of weight. I've noticed I've been getting a bit sort of round lately, and unfortunately I'm at the age where metabolism drops off and genetics take over, and yeah, I'm starting to pile a bit of weight on. So I won't promise that I'm going to give up sugar, because I've tried that numerous times before and have failed dramatically. But we'll see how we go. I do need to do something, so maybe it'll be a good opportunity when I go over to Te Puke, where I'm in a different surroundings, different mindset. You know, I'm working again, and you know, having to make my own lunches and bits and pieces, that I'll try and get more into the salad type things, and a bit less sugar too during the day. So so that would be good. Yeah, it's a bit too easy at home when you get a bit bored. I suppose you just go and make another cup of coffee and chuck another couple of sugars in it, and then, you know, an hour later you might have another one, and then another one, and yeah, it doesn't help. So that's really probably all I've got for this video, unfortunately. Thank you very much for sticking with the channel. Hopefully I'll be going back down to Napier in the next week or two or thereabouts, and if we get some fine weather, I want to go back and catch up with Mum and my sister again before I start the kiwi fruit season, because then I'm sort of stuck there for a few months. So I want to go back for another visit and spend a bit more time with them, and yeah, so I'll take you along for that if I do go back down there. So thanks to everyone who's sticking with the channel. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and like, which would be greatly appreciated, and share it. It really does help the channel to grow, so we really do appreciate that. But yeah, otherwise that's probably it for this video. Sorry it's a bit of a shorter one, but yeah, blame it on the rain. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one, eh? See ya.